अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। एक सवाल जो इस टाइम पे बार बार पूछा जाता है इज वेदर आई शुड टेक S2 और M1 in my A level maths. The answer is not simple. It depends on a lot on what you want to do later on. If you are one of those students who wants to do an artificial intelligence or a computer science or a data analytics degree, S2 will help you a lot. It helps you cover up a lot of things that you study in university later on, so it becomes an advantage. But at the same time, S2 is dependent on S1. I can't emphasize that enough. If you are not good at S1, then you will probably struggle with S2 as well. If you were confused about normal distributions, if you were confused about binomial distributions or geometric distributions, then your struggles will amplify in S2. Please make sure that you know your S1 before you pick up S2. Now, whether you should do M1 or not depends on, again, what you want to do later on. If you're someone who wants to do mechanical engineering or civil engineering or one of those engineerings, chemical engineering and so on, then M1 is the better way to go. It teaches you a lot about how math and physics work together. Although you've done A-level physics, but at the same time, A-level physics is not as mathematical as mechanics is. So that is what you should be doing right now. Is M1 easy or is S2 easy? There's no straightforward answer. Ever since the syllabus was changed in 2020, M2 was discarded, which means that M1 is now an A-level math component, a second year component as well. So what could happen is that you can find questions with equal difficulty. M1 is no longer an easy syllabus. It's as difficult as S2, I think. And you shouldn't be picking up a subject just because it's easy or difficult, or someone tells you that it's easy and difficult. You should be looking at what you want to do later on and how it's going to benefit you.